the government is committed to providing all support necessary for Singaporeans and their families. We have never been shy to spend money. We have never been shy to spend money. It's not about being hard-hearted or soft-hearted. But we have a duty to make sure that whatever we spend get the greatest impact on the beneficiaries that we want to serve. Our benchmark for success in the social service sector, and perhaps in the larger Singapore system, is not and cannot be framed in any philosophical or monetary terms. I have never judged MSF success based on the amount of money that we spend, the number of SSO that we have built up, or even the number of people that we are currently helping on our various schemes. These are not my measure of success. On the other hand, I think as a system, our measure of success should be the following four. First, our first measure of success is not how many people that are being helped now. Instead, we should measure ourselves how many people in the entire system are able to stand independently and do not need help from society. Because if we divide the whole society into three parts, those who need help, those in the middle, and those who can provide help, the more that we are able to expand the center, the broad middle, to take care of themselves, to take care of the family, the more successful we are. Once we have expanded the center to as big as we can, then we can focus our attention and bandwidth to get those who are most able in society to help those who are least able. Therefore, our measure of success is not how much we transfer from those most able to those least able. Yes, that might be a matrix, but actually the bigger success for our Singapore story is when we can expand the broad middle, so that the broad middle can take care of themselves and we have less people requiring assistance at the national level. Our second measure of success is to make sure that whatever we spend on, we do the maximum good for all the people that we want to serve. I will be the last one to go to the Ministry of Finance to ask for more resources if I do not think that I can do justice to the resources that the Ministry of Finance can give me. On the other hand, I will never be shy to go to the Ministry of Finance to ask for more resources when there is a pressing need and when we can do justice to the resources entrusted upon us. And I think the Care and Share movement is a good testimony of the faith that the Ministry of Finance have given MSF. They have given us $250 million in addition to the $250 million last year because they can see the good work being done. When we are good stewards of the resources entrusted upon us, I trust that the Ministry of Finance will open their hearts, their wallets, to support all the good work in this sector. The third measure of success is not just about helping those people in need. It is also about our ability to mobilize the community to come together as one to take care of our fellow Singaporeans in need. But finally, our greatest measure of success is not how many people that are still on our scheme. It is how many of our people have gone through our schemes and are able to stand independent once again, and perhaps to reach out to help others who are more in need. That will be our greatest measure of success.